Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to log out Shopify account. If you are using Shopify on your phone and want to securely sign out, this method will help you do it easily. So let's go step by step and log out your account properly. Open the Shopify app. Once it loads, you will land on your main dashboard where all your store details are shown. Don't worry, the logout option is just a few steps away. Pop-up text. Open Shopify app. Now look at the top right side of the screen where your profile icon is visible. Tap on it to open your account settings. This is where all your account-related options are available. After opening your profile section, you'll see 3 dots near your account name. Tap on those dots to open more options. This menu contains important settings including logout. Now a list of options will appear on your screen. Carefully look through them until you find the logout option. It might be at the bottom, so scroll if needed. Once you tap logout, a confirmation message will appear. Just tap logout again to confirm your action. This step makes sure you don't accidentally leave your account. After confirming, you will be successfully logged out and taken back to the login screen. This means your Shopify account is now safely signed out from the device. So guys, that's how you can easily log out Shopify account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.